This is Katie Linendahl. Hi, Katie. Woo, I love this. This is my favorite ride, too. I love this. When I was a little girl, I turned 50 this year, and when I was a little girl, my favorite thing was my Kick and Go, it was called. And you would pump like this, and it was a scooter with like this little kick thing on the back.
Yes.
I loved it. I want your Voyager so bad.
We need to upgrade you now.
What is this amazing thing?
Okay, this is like the new cool way to commute. You know, you're in city life and you want to get there faster and quicker. You don't want to be in a vehicle. This is an electric folding scooter. It's brand new. It's a little bit of a sneak peek. It's not out yet, but it has a little digital display right here. Shows you how fast you're going, how many miles you've rode, and of course, it gets up speeds up to 18 miles and 6.2 miles on one charge.
Amazing.
So very fun.
So, Katie,
to show you, because it also folds.
That is amazing.
So I can take it with me on the go.
This is like a scooter Tesla.
Yes, it is a scooter Tesla.
It is a scooter-sized Tesla, of which I'm an enormous fan. I love this.
Love it.
Love it.